UST-JAJWA mine is being constructed in the city of Berezniki, Perm Krai, by employees of Deilmann-Haniel Schachtostroj for almost 2 years. It is a subsidiary of the German group corporation Deilmann-Haniel GmbH, established in 2008 to work especially at UST-JAJWA project under request of Uralkali. The total project budget amounts to 250 million euros. The total area of industrial site of UST-JAJWA mine, which will be later used for construction of the mine, is of 820,000 square meters at the time of mine operation. The site area chosen by our company for the construction of temporary buildings is only 40,000 square meters, 1/7 of the entire industrial area of the mine. During the 3 years of project implementation, LLC Deilmann-Haniel Schachtostroj has concluded more than 50 supply contracts, supplied more than 400 units of equipment to the construction site, which has been commissioned and successfully operates.
С 2008 года компания выросла до офиса.
Since 2008, the company has grown to have its own office in Berezniki, 2 offices in Perm, at Sovetskaya 67 and Petropavlovskaya 59A. And of course, it has construction site. The number of employees has reached 315 people. We can already have a status of a pretty large company. The structure is quite simple. It is composed of construction site staff and employees who work directly at UST-JAJWA mine. Furthermore, we have administrative staff who works in Berezniki and Perm.
Это специалисты, которые работают в Березниках и в Перми.
LLC Deilmann-Haniel Schachtostroj can offer a wide range of services and engineering support at all stages of projects for the construction of vertical shafts and other underground mine workings, both for special methods of sinking and normal method, including a full range of engineering, geological, and geotechnical surveys, development of design and engineering documentation, construction and installation works. All departments of the company necessary to successfully and timely implement such a project as UST-JAJWA mine work at a full volume.
Und im Prinzip teilen sich die Arbeiten in 2 Gruppen. Das eine ist
There are 2 main groups at the construction site now: shaft sinking and mechanical repair work. The first group performs sinking and repair of equipment used for sinking, hoisting equipment, building structures. The second group is the so-called service department. This group includes maintenance of subcontractors' work. There is as well supply department, warehouse. We also have concrete mixing department at the site, personnel department, workshop, and departments that belong to the service group.
Das ist also unsere Serviceabteilung.
We have currently 2 subcontractors working at the construction site who finished their work by the end of 2014. Then there will only be employees of Deilmann-Haniel Schachtostroj.
Also bis zum Ende der Arbeiten, bis zum Ende des Schachthäufens wird es ungefähr gleich bleiben, das Personal.
Actually, the number of staff will not change too much until completion of shaft sinking. The only thing that may happen will be a transfer of a worker from one department to another department. That's just due to this. There will be some changes. Administrative staff includes in its structure the chief commercial officer and technical staff, engineers, designers, and estimate department.
На данный момент крупных подразделения 3.
Well, at the moment there are 3 major divisions: construction site, chief commercial officer structure, and technical experts who are subordinate to the technical head for design and construction. These structures are respectively divided into smaller units.
На уже более мелкие подразделения внутри.
Design engineers and quantity surveyors interact directly with both construction site and headquarters of the company. 6 people work in the design department: head, leading engineers, design engineers, and technician. Construction cannot start without these people because they create the project documentation, which is the base for other departments' work. Only our team is engaged in designing, and only our team has been developing the project documentation. This is the documentation that is required to maintain production and to carry out the core scope of work. That's basically all. This is the basis for our work performance. The estimate department has only 2 people working. Quantity surveyors also perform a very serious part of work.
Сметный отдел занимается составлением сметной документации.
Estimate department performs estimates according to working and design documentation. We also check estimates received from our contractors, control volumes indicated in estimates for a certain period of time. We perform check as per KS2, Act of Acceptance, and KS3, Certificate of the Value of Work Done and Cost Incurred.
Проверка КС2 и КС3 формы.
The main part of the administrative department of the company consists of specialists of Chief Commercial Officer Department.
Роль коммерческого отдела, как и в других компаниях,
The functions of the commercial department, as in other Russian companies, include organization of interaction and smooth operation of all services and divisions of the company, and the primary objective is uninterrupted supply of materials and equipment to the construction site. The second major target, I believe, is the most important task, a recruitment of professional and competent personnel for this project.
компетентного персонала для реализации данного проекта.
Это таможенное оформление и логистика.
It includes customs clearance and logistics, secretariat and experts on international financing reporting standards, a person who is engaged in building and submission of financial reports in accordance with European standards, because we have a parent company in Germany, as you know.
Компания, как вы понимаете, в Германии.
Moreover, specialists of the commercial department interact with banking institutions, state structures, in particular with the Department of Immigration and Citizenship, as German experts represent about 30% of the staff at Deilmann-Haniel Schachtostroj. One of the company's employees is engaged in import supply, since the construction of UST-JAJWA mine is conducted using foreign equipment.
Мои функции заключаются в том, что подготовка таможенного оформления классификации.
Well, my function is to prepare for customs clearance, to classify the goods in accordance with the commodity code. I provide all documents required for customs clearance, certificates, approvals, licenses, if necessary. Interaction with all organizations involved in this chain, beginning from the customs authorities, customs warehouses, expert organizations, banks.
Экспертные организации, банки.
The peak of companies' import, if you look at the value, took place in 2013. Total cost of supplies for the construction of UST-JAJWA mine has already amounted to about 35 million euros. Perfect company structure, close interaction between departments, and cohesive team that works to reach a common goal stand for uninterrupted construction of UST-JAJWA mine. Employees of LLC Deilmann-Haniel Schachtostroj have all the necessary qualities to make UST-JAJWA project one of the most successful in the construction of mine shafts. People come to us, they like, and they are still working with us. Our main values are safety, quality of work, and work completion time. To ensure uninterrupted work, our main goal is to provide our employees with good working conditions so that they would have no problems at their workplace. We consider ourselves as one big cohesive team.